So, streaming, it's a growing market, becoming one of the biggest on the planet, with millions of people streaming to different platforms: YouTube, Mixer, Facebook, Twitch, and you want to become one of them, but you feel that you need a camera. And you look online, and there's a bunch of people saying, oh, yeah, get a mirrorless like a Sony A5100 and a Elgato Cam Link. It's a pretty good option. But if you buy both of those things new, you're paying over $700. So what if I told you that you could use your phone? Hey everyone, it is me exactly, and welcome back to another video. So as you can probably tell from the title, how to use your phone as a webcam. And before we hop into the tutorial, I'm going to go over some reasons that you may want to use your phone as a webcam. Number one being kind of my target audience, which is content creators, so streamers, YouTubers, insert name here of use of webcam phone. And then now kind of lately with school starting back up again, spring break is over. Your school may require you, like for online schooling, it may require you to have a webcam so that your teachers know that you're not slacking off or something. And that is just kind of the other use that I can think of right now. But yeah, let's get straight into the video. So what you're going to need to do is go on your phone or tablet and go to your device's supported app store. So in my case, that is the Google Play Store. And what you're going to want to do is type in IRIUN, and then it should just pop up. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm going to kind of try. Arian 4K webcam for PC and Mac. And what you're going to do, of course, just install that. And then while you're waiting, what you're going to want to do is come over to your PC and open up your web browser and go to iriun.com. and download the Webcam for Windows application. And now that's done, you can just run it. Hit yes. And down here in the bottom, there's this thing that says number of cameras. You can have up to 4, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna hit 4 just because I've been messing around with some stuff lately, and I kind of want to try out 4. You can just hit next. This won't pop up for you. I've just had this previously installed. You can just hit install. It'll do that. And it should say start Arian webcam server. Just make sure that's checked. Hit finish. And then it should pop up right here. Yeah. If you chose just one camera, these tabs won't be here for you. But now we're just going to go back down to our phone. And so yeah, now on our phone, you can open up the Arian webcam. It'll just give you a little disclaimer thingy. You can just hit continue or don't show again. Make sure that it can record video and audio. And if you give it a sec, if you have multiple cameras enabled, then whichever one has the green highlighting. But if you just have one, it should pop up automatically, and then boom, you can see me. And by default, it'll be in 640 by 480. Actually, what you can do is you can go depending on, this is a new thing actually. They used to only go 640, 480, and 1280, 720. But they've now just opened up full resolution of your device, so you can select that. It'll be a bit laggy on 4K, as you can probably see. I should, yeah, it'll be a bit laggy on 4K. So what I'm gonna do is, so I'm gonna drop it down to maybe 1080p. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, 1080p seems to be. Actually, let's try 720 maybe. Okay, 720 looks the best from what I can see, and you can just, if you want, you can make sure that this is tick start Aryan when I start my computer. But I'm not gonna tick it, and then you can just close this for now, and we'll move on to the next step. And that is how you can use your phone as a webcam for your stream or whatever you may need it for. And yeah, it's free. So yeah, give it go check it out. And if you like if you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe down there and leave a comment, and I will try to respond to as many comments as I can. If you have any questions or about anything, I am live every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 4 o'clock p.m. Pacific. Except on like breaks, like currently spring break, I'll be on probably whenever, like around noon. So yeah, you can check me out down there. I will leave links to everything that was used, and there won't be anything like last video with the OBS WebSocket that I forgot. But yeah, so yeah, if you enjoyed, leave a like, possibly subscribe, and follow me on Twitch. Yeah, so that's exactly signing off.